my studio. I've got a slight problem here. I need to get some more storage space on this wall so that I can dry my boards here and also display my work as well. And I do like to work in a studio where I'm surrounded by recent paintings. It kind of helps to keep the ideas flowing. The plan I've come up with here, I'm hoping will do two jobs. Firstly, it will support these little boards that I often paint on so that they will stand safely against the wall. But also I want to be able to hook a canvas on the ledge as well. So I've kind of incorporated all of that into this design. I've got some wood here that we bought from B&Q. It's basically 2 by 1. It's 1 inch by 1.5 inches. But I'm going to put that, Daisy and I are going to put this on the wall. But before we do that, we're going to glue this half dowel strip on the front of the wood, and that will give me that little ledge that will stop the paintings sliding off and also allow a picture hook to grip onto it. We're going to show you the whole process and I'll talk you through it, and we'll see how it works at the end. Firstly, measure and cut the batten and dowel to your desired length. We used the whole length, which was 2.4 metres. Then measure out the placings for the 5 screws, allowing for 10 centimetres at each end of the batten. We drilled the holes and made countersunk indents for the screw heads. Then we glued and pinned the half dowel along one side of the narrow edge of the batten, keeping a neat join on the front. Then we taped it down at intervals along the length to hold it in place as it dried. Then we nailed 5 pins along the length of the dowel to keep it secure. Then we repeated the whole process for the second batten in just the same way. And yes, we do use corner wedges from canvases to spread the glue on. They have a multitude of uses. We placed the battens so that there was enough space for my medium-sized boards, and also so that we avoided drilling into the old mortar between the bricks. We used a spirit level to ensure the battens were level and discovered that the brick courses were running uphill towards the right-hand end of the wall. We also found that the wall wasn't flat and had to push the batten against the wall to try and close the gaps, which helped a bit. We marked and drilled the holes one at a time, leaving only the previous screw in place and taking a level from that. We hoped that this would help mitigate some of the effects of the uneven brickwork. All holes were filled with rawl plugs, and finally the ledges were screwed firmly in place. Up here now, and I'm really chuffed with this. It's such a simple plan, but it kind of worked out really well. We had to jiggle things around a bit because there is nothing flat in this room at all, let alone the walls. I've left this space here because I want to show you how I hang a large canvas, and I've prepared this one here with some string across the back. It looks wonky, but it doesn't matter because I can alter this when it's hanging up. And from that string I'm going to put a hook. This is a little hook. They're designed to be used with Victorian kind of picture rails. So that part goes over the picture rail and this part picks up the string on the back of the canvas. So I'm going to put this up here now, and it's a bit of a fiddle, but basically that hook will fit on there. And if I turn this very large canvas round, but it kind of proves the point that it can fit on here. I just feel the string and the hook at the back and hang that like that. Is it level? Not sure. Is that level? No. No, not level. Level-ish. About as level as anything else in this room. There. So that's a safe, very quick way to hang a painting so that it can dry safely on the wall. And obviously that's really easy to change then, so I can move things around as I produce new work. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that useful. I'm going to put links in the comments below, in the information box below, to all the products that I've used so that you can have a go at this yourself if you fancy it. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you've enjoyed my video, and I do hope to see you again. Bye bye.